Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in. I finally have my Boxycharm by Ipsy. This came on the 29th, just received it. It was coming late. I knew that probably because of the add-ons that I bought, which I'm not doing that anymore in a box. If I want to shop, I'll shop because it delays everything. Just annoying, but this is Glow Your Soul. This is Boxycharm by Ipsy. I find these pamphlets, and I told them that in the survey, kind of a waste. There's really no information in them. Like, I would rather have my card, like that we used to get. And then the icon box for, I think it's February, is going to be Gwen Stefani, which I think is Give. Is that her brand? I do think so. So if you're interested in that, that's here. Ouch, I have my phone here. This box is $28 a month. Tax, we do pay shipping, $1.99. 5 full-size beauty products. Can do add-ons. We get to customize 3 out of the 5. I know what I customized. So this and this are their choice, and the rest is my choice. So we'll start with their choices. From Kopari, niacinamide and caffeine eye bright cream. Never upset with anything like this. Skincare is always nice. Right here is what the tube looks like. I am excited to try this. I don't think I have this. Kopari, I don't think it's talked about enough. They're a very good brand, and I have a few things that I do like from them. I have a cleanser. Do I have a toner? I know I have a cleanser, and I have something else from them. Maybe a moisturizer. I'm really not sure, but I don't have this. So happy for this. This we get all the time, and I could take it or leave it. Saturday Skin. And this is their cleanser, I do believe. Yeah, their cleanser. Big, huge tube. It's nice. I like it, but we get it so often. Saturday Skin, it's like oversaturated. Like, I'm over it already. But I can share it. I can put it in a giveaway, so I'm not upset about that. I'm not going to do add-ons right away. The next thing that I chose from Do With the Gods, The Theory, and this is retinol and oat milk hyaluronic cream blend. So this is a moisturizer. This feels nice and heavy. It's all sealed, so we'll open it. Excited for this. Do With the Gods has some nice stuff. I have a primer from them that I love. So I figured, I chose this, and I'm looking, okay. Oh, this is really nice. This is glass right here. Is this a pump? Yes, this is a pump. The Theory. Let's see. I have to be careful. I jammed my finger. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I jammed this one at this joint here. Like, I can barely bend it. It's so sore and so swollen. I'm like, no. But I do have a splint for it because I've done it before. I move too quick sometimes, and all right, can we prime here? I can't even push the thing down. I almost said darn thing, but does it need to turn up? Why can't I prime this? Okay. Does that have to be pop up? Oh, well, just do it like this then. And let's just see what I think. I don't know if that's not working or if it just needs to be primed more. But very nice if it had to sit out. I don't do that, but very, very nice. This is what it looks like. Let's give that a feel. Just a clean, spa-like fresh scent. Nothing that would bother me, and I am very sensitive to smell. It's not floral or rose or feels nice. Goes right in, absorbed right in, but my hands are so dry. Not sticky or tacky, which is nice. That I'm excited to try that. Now, do I have prices? I don't know. So let me see if I can find it. Let me get into my phone. Where is Boxycharm by Ipsy? I have categories in my phone, so let me see. I do have, nope, not that. I don't know if I saved prices. I don't think I do have prices. No. Oh, maybe I do. Dew of the Gods is $42. So that's nice. Yes, these are the items. So next, I chose, I don't think choice was all that wonderful, but not bad, from Paradox. This is blow dry spray, instant root lift, and mega volume. You know, sure. It's all correct. Oh, it's taped. You know, it's sealed. It is a pump. A little pump spray. I always like stuff like this, but I wish it was a bigger bottle. Next is from Context. I might probably have a price on that, though, don't I? Yes. Let me see if I can see this. I don't know. I don't think I have the price. Nope. I don't know what the price of that was. So from Context right here, is this, oh, I know I chose a dual lip liner, and I don't know if there's a shade. Well, we'll see what it is. Take it out. And this is Desert Plains and Starbreaker. So similar tones. Nice little gel. Right there. Neutrals, which is fine. And I'll put the other one right next to it. A little bit darker brown, as you can see right there. I'm not angry at that. Sometimes they're good tones to have underneath. Help deepen a shade. I don't know if I have. I think I do have it. I don't. Some things I managed to get the price, and others I'm just like, ugh. Let's see. That was $20, I think. Yes. So there are the items. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 items in the box. The items that I added on are, I have no idea where this stuff is. Oh, right here. So let me do the boost. I think this was the boost product was $179.99 right here. Dermalectives microcurrent facial toning device. I know everybody, we saw this as a preview. I did too, and jumped on it right away before they didn't have any more. And then no, you know, then you don't get it. I don't know how this opens. I don't see. Let's take the plastic off. Let's see if I can figure out how this box opens. Oh, I see it. Let's see what this looks like for $179, $180. Yeah, we'll just go back in here. So here's the, comes with the pamphlet. How is this? Wait, I'm trying to pop it out of this plastic. Let's see if I can get it out of here. This is in here pretty tight. So it does have your charging device. I was wondering where that was. This looks nice. Tiny, but still nice. Needs to be charged, evidently. Oh no. What does that say? So it's on, and then there. I don't know. Does this come off? I don't know if you leave that on or take it off. I don't know if I can. I don't know. Micro warm. I always turn stuff. Oh, it's vibrating. Huh. I can feel. Interesting. I'm not unhappy with that. I don't know if you would leave that on just for protection, and I'll put it off and charge that. I'm excited to try it. I mean, you know, can't hurt, right? I don't know how this was in there. Like this. So to get this as part of my box, I paid $16.20, $15 plus tax to get that. So that's $180, $179.99. So happy for that. Item that I added on to my box is from Drunk Elephant, and it's the shampoo. I think this was, I don't know what I paid for it. I don't know if I saved. Oh, yes, I did. I paid $18 for this, and this is 240 ml, 8 ounces shampoo. Well, I don't know what box. I don't remember. I got the conditioner. Well, I'd like both. I'm not going to use the conditioner without the shampoo. So finally, I saw the shampoo. Said, let me get the shampoo. So now I have the shampoo and the conditioner so that I could try it out and see what I think. High hopes, but you never know. The next item that I chose, and this is going to be a sample from Amika. This was $3.50. A little hairspray. This is a shine spray. I mean, my hair does have shine, but you just want a little extra. And I love Amika. Their dry shampoo is probably one of my favorites. It really is. I have yet to find it again. I have some leave-in products and stuff like that, but I love their dry shampoo, and I figured let me try that. $3.50. I'm not going to be upset about it. And this is a brand that I find that I enjoy, and this is Toy Factory. This was $3.50 also, and this is their setting powder, translucent setting powder. And this is sealed, so we'll just open it up. It's tiny little sample, but I figured, you know what? I don't think I have this. I think I have, like, it's either a concealer or a primer or something. And this is, you know, a little tiny sample, translucent. I'm not going to open it, but I figured let me try it. And that's everything that's in my box. I think fairly decent considering. The only item that I would say I could do without would be the Saturday Skin cleanser, because that's something that I would choose on my own, the cleanser that I like. And you know, not always, and that we get so many Saturday Skin products that I technically could do without that and don't find it necessary. So that is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for January 2024. Pretty decent. Like I said, I know I got the conditioner in a box. Was it FabFitFun? Don't remember. Was it Boxycharm by Ipsy? Don't remember. I'd have to look back. Probably this box, because the shampoo was offered later on. I would like, if they're going to offer this as part of the box, offer this as an add-on, because I would get them at the same time. Like, I haven't used this, and I've had this a month or two now, so glad that I could finally get the shampoo to try, because I will not try one without the other. If I don't like them, then I just give both of them away. You know, plenty of people that will take them, you know, and use them. Or I put them on the shelf and revisit them. Maybe right now I'm just not loving it, but maybe in the summer it's about, you know, like I have sets, I have singles, but I have a lot of sets, and they're just on the shelf in my linen closet. So when I get in the shower, I'm like, oh, let me use this instead of what's in the shower. I am loving from L'Oreal Paris the Elvive shampoo and conditioner. That's what I've been using consistently lately, and I'm loving that. And that would be something I would repurchase. So that is where, if you know, and I am a little bit of a snob when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. I'm not going to, and there's nothing wrong with these brands. Like, I'm never going to use Suave or some of these, you know, $5 and under shampoo and conditioners. I think you get what you pay for when it comes to that. But there's nothing wrong with it. I've used that most of my younger life, and my hair always looked fine, always looked nice and shiny and healthy. But lately, I'm just, you know, I think some of the a little bit more expensive shampoos and conditioners are, in the long run, better for your hair and healthier for your hair. Like, you'll never catch me using Pantene. There's silicone in Pantene. It weighs your hair down. Like, it's nice, it's expensive, and I know plenty of people that use it, but I, you know, just in conversations with my hairstylist. Like some of the stuff that's in some of these products, it's just not good for your hair. It's weighs it down. It's stick. Like every once in a while, you need to use a clarifying shampoo or something that will strip all that off your hair, because it builds up in the root, and then you wonder why your hair is not growing. It's breaking. It looks damaged. It's weighed down. It's greasy. It's from all the product that we put in our hair. I mean, I'm guilty of it. So that's why I like a little bit more of the higher end shampoo and conditioners. Like I'll use a bar soap from, you know, the drugstore or from, you know, wherever. I'm not a body wash type person, but I still like things that have aloe in it and shea butter and just that are good for your skin. But when, yeah, and I'll, you know, it doesn't have to be high end on that, but when it comes to shampoo, yes. So did you like Boxycharm by Ipsy this month for January? Did you not? Do you not get it any longer? I would love to know. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.